Next problem. Again, find the radius of curvature for root of x by a minus root of y by b is equal to 1. Given equation at the points where it touches the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x and y, no? Right. Now that means radius of curvature formula is rho is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square only. Now we have to differentiate this one with respect to x to find dy by dx. Now here d by dx of entire thing is equal to d by dx of 1. Now 1 by root a we are taking outside the differentiation, d by dx of root x. Similarly 1 by root b into d by dx of root y is equal to differentiation of a constant is 0 with respect to x, right? 1 by root a into differentiation of root x is 2 root x. 1 by root b into differentiation of root y is 2 root y into dy by dx you have to write. Why you have to write? We are differentiating with respect to x, no? Right. Now from here we are getting dy by dx value is equal to here this one root of by root of ax. You can write root of b by a by into root of y by x. We can split the terms. Okay. Now next again differentiating with respect to x, equation number 2 again we have to differentiate with respect to x to get d square y by dx square, right? To get d square y by dx square. Now see again you are applying here root of b by a, we are taking outside the differentiation symbol and we are applying u by v method. U by v method, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Same problem already chesam, but here root a by b అని ఉంది, right? This already చూడండి previous ఈ వీడియోలోనే. Now again d square y by dx square is equal to root of b by a into again after simplifying you will get the d square y by dx square after simplifying, and then we are substitute dy by dx value, we will get this result, right? Here root b into root x into root y into root a, this is nothing but root ab we are writing here. The reason is using equation 1, that means equation, what is equation 1 actually? Equation 1 is this one. Now if you take LCM, what you will get? Root b into root x minus root a into root y by root of ab. Root a into root b is equal to 1 by cross multiplying root b into root x minus root a into root y is equal to root a into root b you will get, right? Now here reason is by using equation 1, by taking LCM and cross multiplication you will get this value is equal to root a into root b. See here. Now therefore d square y by dx square value is again b, root b into b is b, right? Here this root a by a, that means root a times gets cancelled, x power 1 into x root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. Now x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2 is x to the power of 3 by 2. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to b by 2 root a into x to the power of 3 by 2. Therefore radius of curvature we know the formula, 1 plus d square dy by dx whole square to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. Therefore rho is equal to 1 plus root of a by b root of b by a into root y by x whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square value is b by 2 root a into x to the power of 3 by 2. By simplifying you will get this result, right? Rho is equal to 2 into ax plus by whole to the power of 3 by 2 by ab. Okay. Now next after continuation we got the radius of curvature, but we need to find the radius of curvature if the curve touches the coordinate axis. There are two coordinate axes are there, one is x, another one is y. If the given surface, if the given curve touches the coordinate x axis, then y coordinate will be 0. That means y value is equal to 0. Substitute y value is equal to 0 in equation 1. You will get root of x by a is equal to 1. That implies root x is equal to root a. That implies x is equal to a. Therefore the coordinates of the points are a comma 0. Therefore radius of curvature at the point a comma 0 is, now in this one, in the place of x I have to substitute a, in the place of y I have to substitute 0. Now after simplifying I got a row value, that means radius of curvature at a comma 0 is equal to 2a square by b. Similarly, if the given curve touches the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. That means from equation 1, you put x is equal to 0, you will get root of y by b is equal to 1, root y is equal to root b. That implies y is equal to b. We have to find radius of curvature at the point 0 comma b. See, by substituting in the place of 0, in the place of x 0, in the place of y b, we are substituting in this formula, that is in this equation rho. Now we got rho is equal to 2b square by a. This is the radius of curvature at the points a comma 0 and also at the point 0 comma b. ఆ హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి, అవి నాకు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, పోస్ట్ చేయండి వాట్సాప్లో.